Nobody tells you how lonely it is to be diagnosed with cancer, how all your relationships change, relationships with your family, your friends, co-workers, all your relationships change because you change. Nope, sorry, can't drink that much anymore. Nope, sorry, can't go there because I'll get tired. No, can't go there because I'm immunosuppressed. You go around places wearing a mask and even strangers find you weird. You spend every day questioning how you feel because you don't know if it's a side effect of your medication, the cancer, or if it's in your head. Really, nobody understands until it happens to them.